How to fix voice chat not working in Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. You won't find any option there, so simply click on Settings, click on Search bar on top right corner of your screen, and then search Apps. After you've searched Apps, simply click on Apps and Notifications. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop-ups. Click on See All Apps. In here you'll find Roblox. Click on Roblox, then force stop the app. Then click on Storage and Cache, which is below Permission. Clear cache and clear storage. After that, simply restart your device, and then you need to log into Roblox again. After that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix voice chat not working in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off. Until next time.